It's windy here. You guys want to see it? See, it's windy. Okay, guys, like I'll show you guys. See, it's windy now. Very windy. And it's now storming. Look at the, it's storming. Windy. Very bad. We're having sa bus na ako, start rin dito. Grabe sis. Ay, nahilo ba kayo? Sorry guys, nahilo na kayo. Nahilo na kayo sa ano. Ay, nako. It's storming here. Stormy, yeah. 7 million in the house, salamat. Nag-storm na dito, Tita Rosie. Sabi ni Mr. Pag may nangyari sa akin sa kalye, hindi mo ako sasagutin. Mahalaga sa'yo ang whitey-whitey mo. Oh my Lord. Ang whitey-whitey talaga. Nag-ano na, Tita Rosie. Anong breakfast mo, Tita Rosie? Magluto muna ako ng kanin. I'm gonna cook some rice. And I have ingat kayo dyan. Oo, kaya nga hindi na ako lalabas. So that's why I'm not going out. Oh, oatmeal. Yummy. Oatmeal is good for the skin. And ano ba tawag dyan? Kaya nga, they're calling 5 centimeter, huh? Or 10? Oh, hi, Life. Thank you for coming. Oh. Thank you, Life. That picture last night, the full moon, I just take a picture that last night. 6 million in the house. Thank you guys. Life, thank you for coming. Thanks for 11 thumbs up. Hello. Yeah, it's very cold outside right now. Sis, hawak kamay. Ingat ka dyan. Mahangin, diba? Magla-live ka mamaya, Kabsat. Hawak kamay. Wala, bagsak lahat yung aking yung subscriber ko, yung aking what's our, pati bulsa, bagsak lahat, diba? Hindi ko alam kung may harang tong aking Thank you. Ingat lagi dyan sis, hawak kamay. Ingat. You take care yourself in there. Go home soon because it's very cold outside. Alam mo, Kabsat, kararating lang ni Mr. galing ng Florida. Tapos umuwi siya malamig. Diba? Florida is hot and sunny. Now we come back to Canada, it's so cold. Diba? Ayan. Thank you, sis, hawak kamay. Ingat ka lagi.